Okay, so looking underneath the machine, you can see the red hook here should be hooked underneath this bracket, which is lifting the squeegee, but I don't know if you can see it, it's not actually hooked, it's just to the side of it. So all I've got to do is lift the squeegee up, push the hook underneath that squeegee bracket and drop it back down, and now that bracket is sat on the hook. The hook is underneath where it needs to be, and that's it. Job done. So now when I lift this up, if you look down here, you will see there's a little cutout where this red lever slides in and pulls back and sits in. So you've got to lift it up, then pull it back a bit, and it will stay in position. So get it back down, push it forward, drops down. So lift it up, pull it back, and now the squeegee is just off the floor, just a little bit, just enough. Please note, if the brush isn't on, the squeegee will actually still sit on the floor. So it lifts it up when the brush is on. So if you took the brush off, your squeegee will still sit on the floor. But it's no detriment to the machine. Thank you.